The shift in seasons means we need to shift gears in and around our powerhouses to make sure we're ready for changes in weather and other seasonal concerns.
Fall is a great time to put in a little work to improve efficiency and head off problems that could be caused by winter temps.
We're going to work from the outside in to provide you with some fall prep basics for your powerhouse.
You know those trees, shrubs, and other landscaping that provided shade and windbreaks for you all summer? Now is the time to give them a little bit of TLC so they'll continue to help you in future seasons. Apply recommended fertilizers or other overwintering support to make sure they come back strong and healthy in the spring. Don't let water be the enemy this fall. Clean out gutters of leaves and debris so that freezing damage and ice dams are less likely. Water backups and gutters that freeze and make their way under shingles can then thaw and leak into interior spaces, compromising insulation, decreasing energy efficiency, and putting you at risk for mold. Disconnect and drain your exterior hose and bring it into the garage or basement for the winter. Drain and protect exterior faucets as necessary to prevent unexpected freezing or damage that might cause burst pipes or water leaks inside your home.
Cold air belongs on the outside, warm air on the inside. Fall's the perfect time to see where your home may be falling short on that goal. Drafts are usually easy to detect and correct, so here are a few tips to get you started. In some cases, especially on a windy day, you can walk around your home and feel for drafts with your hand. Check the most likely suspects like windows and doors, but also consider baseboards, outlets, and areas where building materials meet the foundation. Another couple of techniques for detecting drafts include using a small, lightweight bit of tissue paper that you hold up near the suspected problem spot to detect movement. This detection of more subtle drafts can also be done with a lighted incense stick that produces a light stream of smoke. Even sneaky drafts have trouble evading this type of detection. If you determine you do have problem areas, do some online research to find the best solutions.
Many of us have those extra features in our homes to make our winter days and nights more comfy and cozy. Whether that's a fireplace, a humidifier, or one or more space heaters, now is the time to make sure they're user-ready and up for the task. Prep your fireplace. Check for damage or hazards inside the firebox and throughout the chimney. If you haven't had it cleaned in a year or longer, now might be a good time to contact your local chimney sweep or fireplace professional. Make sure there's no hazardous creosote buildup or flue blockages. Repair any loose bricks or compromised mortar. Exercise the damper to make sure it's working properly, and add a flue cap to discourage moisture leaks or critter invasions. Heated air often needs a little extra moisture to make it comfortable. Tune up your humidifier for the task. Inspect any plates or pads for wear or contaminants. Empty the unit and clean all the components possible according to manufacturer directions. Remove any mineral deposits or buildup from previous use. Clean filtered water for healthy operation. Inspect all space heaters to ensure that cords and switches are not damaged from storage. Clean dust off the unit as needed, and do a test run to make sure that it's heating appropriately. Remember, never leave a space heater operating unattended.
A fresh season is a fresh opportunity to make sure your powerhouse is not only efficient, but safe. If you don't have carbon monoxide detectors, a radon detector, or up-to-date smoke and fire detectors, get them. If all of your detectors are in place, freshen up their batteries and run their test modes to make sure they're working properly. Are your fire extinguishers up to date? Replace or recharge them as necessary, and make sure that all occupants of the home know where they are and how and when to use them. Fire escape plans and tools should also be reviewed and inspected to make sure that you're ready should the unthinkable happen. Accumulations of old newspapers, magazines, and other flammable materials should be removed from your home periodically. Properly discard leftover hazardous household chemicals or store them in approved, clearly labeled containers away from furnaces or other heat-producing appliances. Improving efficiency and preventing damage can save you many dollars and headaches each year.
A seasonally prepared home will serve you well when the blustery weather settles in. Visit AlliantEnergy.com for more tips on weatherproofing and efficiency improvements for your home.